So today we'll talk about monthly rental income. A lot of people want recurring income, or they plan their investment so that they can get monthly rent from properties. We have all kinds of investments where you can get a return from 2.5–3%. Say in residential, you buy an apartment in Gurgaon or Delhi, you get around 2–2.5% of rental income. And where if you invest in commercial properties, you get around 6–7% rental income from companies like TCS, Google, which are tenants here in Gurgaon. And some people also buy under construction properties, which are coming in like 2 to 3 years of timeline. We get around 12% return. What we do is we plan the investments of our clients in such a way that they have the taste of all kinds of properties. One is residential, commercial, or commercial under construction. In terms of appreciation, the best is in commercial properties because you enter at an X price, which is under development right now. And after the development and the nearby area of that particular project, you get a good appreciation on your investment plus a rental income which every developer right now in Gurgaon offers you. So I think that's the best investment right now.